Hi, this is Mike from customcruisers.com. Not all swinging arms are created equal, and metmachex proves this. Okay, got a very cool sliding adjuster in here. This is a billet slider. Okay, comes complete with spindle. As you can see, all milled out. These are machined CNC. These are machined. These are beautifully welded by Gaz and the guys, or possibly only Gaz actually. But just check the quality of this welding. Like bath sealant when it's done right, like this. Okay, also mirror polished in-house, no CNC apart from the bits that need to be CNC. Comes complete with your bearings. These are replacement bearing, also available with spherical bearings for the baggers. We can also order this wider, longer, however you want it. But just check the quality. You really don't see stuff this well made anymore, and made in Britain is a great thing. On this Far Eastern shite that pretends to be fucking billet, excuse my French, but is absolute shite, die-cast crap and dangerous. Okay, can't quite see the point in the billet swinging arm, which weighs a ton and is no stronger than this. This isn't just box section, this is actually honeycomb box section, so you've got massive bracing inside. It's not just a piece of box. And comes complete with a spindle, you know, all your adjusters. Also available in a 1-inch spindle, which I've got in my bagger. My baggers also allows for a 200 tire, so we can order this same here, wider here. Often you've got to modify your original bracket, but to be honest, if you fit in one of these babies, you'd be most likely upgrading to a better braking system in the end anyway. You know, you'd be mad not to fit a decent 4-pot or a 6-pot, whatever you're going to do. So if you're interested in swinging arms and metmachex, let's face it, you can't get any better than that. Give us a bell. 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com. Thank you.